Hey there, welcome to Crypto Vantage, your go-to channel for cryptocurrencies. Here, we dive deep into technical analysis to give you the most unbiased information focusing purely on charts, no BS. We'll also touch on the TradeFi market to give you a broader perspective. Before diving into the video, go ahead and smash that like button, hit that comment button and subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to join us on Telegram. It's the first link down below. You'll get access to charts, daily updates and relevant economic news, which you'll also find on Twitter. There is a second link down below. If you're keen on taking your trading to the next level, consider joining our VIP group where we provide precise entries, stop losses, targets and trade justifications. You can also access our group chat where we discuss possible trade setups and much more. So let's get stuck in, guys. Let's look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is sitting at a new all-time high, sitting comfortably above its prior high, as you can see right here. As long as it maintains above this level, the expectation of continued gains remains. It is only a drop below its prior high that would lead us to expect a steeper correction, as it would be the first time it has lost its prior high, suggesting a shift in the market structure. Let's move over to the DXY. The DXY has been trading within this massive channel since 2008, and you can observe how the top for the DXY has coincided with the channel resistance. The current sideways price action, let me move it to weekly so you can see it clearly. The current sideways price action of the DXY looks more like potential distribution to me rather than accumulation. A close above 107 would send the DXY flying to the top of the channel again, which of course would be bearish for risk assets, but I don't see this as a likely scenario. I think it's more likely we'll see a rejection here, leading to a multi-month downtrend on the DXY. The downside target for the DXY is a channel support coming in at about 95, 96-ish. Let's get into the cream of the video. Let's take a look at the short term, guys. BTC, prior to this lower time frame correction, has some bearish divergences that resulted in a quick flush to 95, 96k. VIP went short. Let me find it for you. That's the one. Here it is. And we made some tidy profits on the short. So what's next for BTC? Well, it's really simple. I'm expecting continuation as long as BTC remains above this trend line, the green trend line, as it also coincides with the previous higher high, as well as hidden liquidity on the lower time frame. Only a drop below this level would convince me that we have now seen an interim top for Bitcoin, and we might see some steeper correction to 88k, which also coincides with this trend line, potentially even 82 to 84k, which coincides with the daily fair value gap and some fib levels. Until then, I remain bullish. My main focus now is on altcoins. I'm not interested in trading Bitcoin anymore, as the risk reward here is really poor. We all know we are at a stage where money starts rotating into altcoins, which brings me to my next topic, Total 3. Total 3 is sitting well above my full bull mode level at $822 billion, which is this blue horizontal line on the chart. My targets for Total 3 are 1 trillion and potentially around 2 trillion or above, which also coincides with the third possible retest of the higher time frame trend line on the logarithmic chart, as well as the measured move from the cup and handle formation, which comes to about 2 trillion. Now, as long as Total 3 remains above the $282 billion, we are bullish. That's it for today, guys. Have a fantastic day and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.